Hello guys, today's lesson is about imaginative composition, drawing or painting. This question normally appears in GK and picture making practical questions. Most students read it once and think it's like last year's question. So they rush and draw anything, but that is wrong. Remember, passing practical exams is not just about talent, it's about understanding the question, planning smart and working with confidence. Don't panic. I am Kwafato Art, your one and only visual art coach. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly understand imaginative composition questions so that you don't draw just anything. Like the video and subscribe for more tips like this. Let's look at how to approach this. Every imaginative question gives you 5 clues. 1. Who is involved? What are they doing? Where is it happening? How many figures must appear in it? And how must it be represented? That is the technique or the medium you have to represent it in. You don't need to run into your final drawing. Use thumbnail sketches in planning the action, balance the scene, and drive attention to the story. Put the key action in the center and let the other characters support it. You don't need to guess the question, you need to understand the format. Because in exams hall, the smartest artist is not the one who memorizes the answers, but the one who understands the question. Practice interpreting any other story so that you build your storytelling skills. Like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you for watching.